I can go straight into the piece, right? Yeah. Okay. Imagine a cage bird, born with the instinct to soar, to dance on the wind, to sing a happy song that echoes through the canyons, but instead it's confined. Its wings clip, its voice stifled. It spends its days pecking at the bars, yearning for the freedom it was meant for. It learns to mimic the sounds of the other caged birds, their repetitive chirps, their desperate cries. It learns to tolerate the grime of its cage, the stale air, the bland taste of its existence. But deep inside, a part of it knows the vibrant hues of the sunrise.